In this video, I'm going to show you this cool resource called Font Awesome, which is in this tab right here. And what Font Awesome does is it's going to give me the ability to put some nice little icons in front of my words, like a little envelope and a little house or something like that, without have to actually downloading images and putting images, floating images to the left of these. And so let's just get started. So the first thing we're going to do is come to this website called Font Awesome, and I'll spread that out so you can see it, fontawesome.com. And what Font Awesome does is it gives us links to icons. In other words, let me just jump in and share. All right, so let me show you how it works. Fontawesome.com. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to go to this icons button just to give you a quick visual of what you can get out of Font Awesome. And I'm good. There we go. So lots of icons that are available. I'm going to click on, I'm going to do the contact one first. So I'm going to see if there's any envelopes that I might be able to utilize. And I like that envelope. That seems like that might be a nice one. So I'm going to click on the envelope once I've chosen the one I want. Now notice there was a pro account and a free account. There's lots of ones that are available, icons available for free. So there's no need to do the pro account. Don't even know how much it is. I didn't even look into it. So if this is the one I want, you can see that there's this copy link, this HTML I tag. So if I click on copy HTML and it shows that it copied, what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to come into my web page, and on this page that I've created I have two A tags, and I think I showed it here, and my thought is that I'm going to put that envelope in front of the word contact. So that code that I just copied, I'm going to paste it here. I'm not going to put contact in between. Notice there's not going to be anything that goes in between the two I tags, so I'm just going to leave it alone. When I control save, nothing has happened. It hasn't updated yet. That's because I have to supply a link, just like we've done with other things. And it's a little bit convoluted how we have to do it here, but I'll show you how it works and then how easy it is after the fact. So your first time you do this, you'll have to go to the start, and under start you have to set up an account. So it's free and it's not a big deal, but because I've already done one, mine says create and use this kit, but you'll go ahead and it'll ask you for an email address, and then you click on whatever the button was. I can't remember what it was. And then you confirm your email address. You go to your email address, click confirm, and then once you do that, you're set up with an account. And once you do that, I'm going to click on my account and I'm going to go to kits. And under kits, I have a link to, because I don't have the pro version, I get one link, which is perfectly fine. So I'm going to click on that one link, and there we go. This is what I'm looking for. So it's got this code right here, copy kit code. So this is what I need to supply to the head tag of my HTML page that wants to utilize that icon. So now that I copy that and I put it into my page, Control V and save, now when I look at my web page, sure enough, I've got this little icon there. And then it's just CSS at that point, because I don't like the fact that it's butted up so close. I'm going to do a padding right so I can push the word contact off of that envelope a little bit. Super easy to do. Notice I have, interesting, I have two different classes. I have a space here. Well, it turns out that you can supply more than one class to anything. So I'm not making a separate class tag, two classes, both that pertain to this I tag. So far might be a little bit more broad, and FA envelope a little bit more narrow. That's specific to the envelope, as opposed to FAR, which is probably specific to a lot of different icon groups. Anyway, I'm going to utilize this FAR. I'm going to go into styles, and I'm going to create a FAR class that does maybe a padding right of 25 pixels, let's say. And you can see how that pushes it off. So now I'm just using Font Awesome's class names in order to create my own styles. Maybe that's a little bit too far off. And then just for demonstration, let's just do a home icon. So I've already got the link supplied, so if I go back to icons, and I'm going to click on home this time, assuming that my page comes up. There it is. A lot of icons are being installed, so I just guess it takes a little bit of time. And now I need a home tag, so I don't know, that one seems like a good one. So I click on the icon and I click on the I tag, which is here. Notice that this class is different now. So this is an FAS class instead of the FAR. So I'm going to click on the I tag, and then I'll come back into my page here. HTML, I'm going to put that in front of the word home. Control V, Control Save. Notice that it's not getting that same spacing, so then I might go into my style sheet and say not only do I need the FAR, but I need a comma .fas, so now I can apply the same padding to both classes. Save that, and you can see that that's in fact working. So pretty awesome, huh? I guess that's why they call it Font Awesome. So this is a great resource to utilize pictures that you don't want to necessarily download the actual pictures for. And when you download pictures, of course, that's more assets that are being downloaded, so it slows your page down, etc., etc. So this is kind of a neat tool to clean that whole process up.